to reduce lower body fat by yoga. 4 fat-burning yoga exercises. When some people work out, they tend to focus more on the upper body, particularly the arms and chest, and forget about the lower body. If your problem areas are your thighs and abdomen, there are types of exercises and cardio workouts that can help you get in shape. In this video, we will concentrate on fat-burning yoga exercises that anybody can do from home. The fat-burning yoga exercises in this video can shape and tune your body, but it is very important that you combine it with healthy diet. Yoga alone without proper diet will help, but it has limitations. Here are 4 yoga exercises to reduce your lower body fat. 1. Lying down single leg raise. Start by lying on your back. Lift your right leg towards the ceiling, making sure that your knee is not bent. While exhaling, get your leg down to 20% and then raise it back up when you inhale. Do this 10 to 20 times and then relax. Next, bend your knee and push your raised leg forward, exhaling when you're pushing it forward and then inhaling when returning to the position. The other variation is that you will raise the same leg upwards, downwards, and then fold. Once done, relax. Do the same steps with your left leg. 2. Standing to leg raise. Stand with your legs positioned hip-wide apart. Lift your hands to the ceiling and then bend to the floor. Raise your right leg and put it back down. Return to the straight standing position and do the process again. Make sure that you inhale while you raise your body and exhale while you lower it. When you're done with the process, raise your leg with your hands placed on the floor. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Repeat these 10 to 20 times and then relax. Do the same with your left leg. 3. Goddess squats. Begin by standing straight with your legs positioned shoulder-width apart. Raise your hands over your head while inhaling, and then bend your knees to go down while exhaling. Your hands should also come down when you're squatting. Do this for 30 counts and then relax. After the 30 counts, begin the pulse in that position for 10 times and then relax. 4. Hip rotation and tree. Begin by standing with your legs together. Rotate your right leg in a circular motion, inhaling while you open your leg and exhaling while you put your right foot down. Do this exercise for 20 counts. Position your right foot on your left thigh. Next, lift your hands towards the ceiling to make the tree pose. Keep your balance while inhaling and exhaling properly. Do this with the left leg and then relax. The 4 yoga exercises mentioned here are not only effective, but they are also safe. Furthermore, not only does yoga have physical health benefits, but can also calm the mind and give you more energy. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.